Hello everyone, what's going on? Alunda Silva here, and I'm glad to be with you again for an awesome session. So today I want to talk to you about something personal to me actually, but I'm sure it's going to help you. So recently I was able to be debt free. So for those that do not know my story, I'd like to share a little bit with you. So I was I was indebted to my school because I did a master's degree, and I wasn't along the line I wasn't able to finish the payment of my fees, so I was indebted to my school, and I didn't get much support from my family and stuff. So that's actually why that was one of the fuel that pulled me to actually search for alternative ways, because I got a job, but then the money from my job was not enough to really cover for all my expenses. So as a young girl, I was in debt. I owed about more than $10,000 that I have to pay back to my school. And then I thought to myself, what should I do? So I went online and searched for how to make money online, and a couple of months later, I was able to pay off my school fees and then graduate normally like everyone is. But today I want to share with you how I was able to do that. So I want to share with you 5 key components that help me be debt free, and I hope this is going to help you. If you're in debt right now, don't worry. Or even if you're not in debt right now, in the future, if it happens to you, now you can know what to do. So without further ado, I'm just going to go straight into it. So one thing that helped me while I was going through those terrible times was, one, be hungry. It's important for you as a human being, whether you are a young girl, a young man, or you are a grown-up, to be hungry. What does that mean by hungry? One of my mentors, Les Brown, taught me to be hungry. What does it mean to be hungry? To be hungry, it means to be passionate. You need to be passionate and have a strong desire for something. What do you really want? It's important that at a time in your life, you should ask yourself, what do I really want? What do you want to accomplish? What kind of life do you want to live? What kind of life do you want to provide your family? What kind of life do you really want? It's important for you. And now when you ask yourself those very important key, soul-stirring questions, write your answer down. Learn to write your answer. What do you want? Do you want a bigger home? Do you want more money? Do you want fulfillment? Do you want admiration? Do you want to help others? What do you want, my friend? What do you want? Be hungry, be passionate, have a strong desire for what you want, and when you find it, wake up every day and work towards it. So the first thing that helped me to come out of debt is I was hungry. I was passionate. I wanted to start an online business. I wanted to start a business. I wanted to help, other people. I was hungry. This desire pushed me to search online, and I was happy to find this business model called affiliate marketing. And now I'm just home selling other people's product, helping my people, giving them what they want, being there for them, providing advice and consultation, and they're getting results, and then they reward me by trusting me and buying the products that I actually promote them. Second very important thing that helped me is get a mentor. I got a mentor. Do you know why getting a mentor is so important? Because what takes someone 20, 10, 30 years, it can take you way less. You can compress the time. What took someone 20 years, it can take 2 weeks, 2 months, hell, it can take a year to accomplish that, because the person has been there, and the person can take you step by step, show you how he actually left. For example, it took me time to be able to get online and to get to know these things. But then now I'm debt-free, and I'm teaching you how you can actually be debt-free. You might not understand all the concept now, but I promise you, if you act on what I'm going to tell you, I assure you that you're going to be debt-free sooner or later. Remember, the first one, be hungry, have a strong desire, be passionate about something, be specific. What do you really want? And when you get it, write it down and begin to work towards it. You can start by doing a simple search. Thank God for Google. We have Google. Thank God for Google. Do a search. Whatever you want, do a search. Read. A lot of people provide content out there. Read what they say. Read their advice. Try this. If it doesn't work, you know what? Try again. Try another one. Never give up. And then second thing, get yourself a mentor. Very important. Compress the time. You don't want to use 10 years. You don't want to use 20 years. You want to get result now. Get a mentor. And when you get a mentor, stick to your mentor. Listen to your mentor. Very important. Very important. And if you're watching this video and then you think this is helpful, yes, I can be your mentor. If you want a mentor, I can be your mentor. If you resonate with my message, hey, I'm going to leave a link below and you can opt into my people, into my community, and I will be glad to help you throughout the way. And thirdly, what is very important, now we're coming to the mechanic part. You know, one of my mentors said that 80% of success is psychology and only 20% is mechanical. Only 20 mechanical means tactics, you know, the physical thing you do. Now the number 3 is decide to master conversions. You know, there is a way that a business is built. There is a way to make money. Learn that, especially if you're going to an online business, there is a way to make sales. There are conversion funnels. Decide to learn conversion. How do you take a prospect from out there, from the pool, and bring him into your world, and then lead him that he should be so convinced that he can go and buy your product? How do you do that? Learn that. Decide to learn that. And man, I can teach you. Oh hell, you can just go on Google and search. There's so many content out there. And on YouTube, if you're watching this content on YouTube, there's so many other content that can teach you how you can actually master conversion. And yeah, if you resonate with my message, you can opt in. I can also teach you. Now, component number 4, master traffic. Decide to master traffic. Like the traditional business model, like when you have a shop or a store, what is important for you is that people should see you. You need to be somewhere where people can see you and come and see your product and come to you. Now that we are online, it's not as if someone is literally just walking in. No, we are all virtually shopping every time, you see. So how do you bring your store, this is your virtual store, your business, in front of other people? It's through traffic. And now what is good is that you drive them to your store, your virtual store. Decide to master traffic. Traffic and conversion, very important for you, especially as a beginner, if you want to start an online business, or if you're already doing an online business. Master traffic. And I will encourage you, the best traffic is the traffic that you create yourself, the traffic that you generate through your own content. In that case, the people that come to you, they will have, you know, they will have a certain connection with you because they will have listened to your content, they will know who you are, and you kind of develop trust. So when you promote stuff to them, they'll be willing and open to actually accept, and they can trust you. And mind you, when you're starting an online business, remember, honesty is key. Trust. People buy because of trust. So when you are coming in, don't just come in for the money. Come because you want to help other people. And this is very, very important. Last but not the least, number 5 component that helped me come out of debt, and that will help you, I believe, is rinse and repeat. Yeah. It's not a rocket science. Rinse and repeat. Yes. So what I'm trying to tell you is that when you're hungry, you're passionate about something, and you discover that thing, and you go for it. Secondly, get your mentor, a mentor, someone that has been successful in that particular field, area you want to venture in or you're already in. Then master conversion, master traffic, and do it again. It's not just a one-time process. This is an ongoing process, because you know what? When you don't grow, you die. Anything that doesn't grow dies. So don't just think that, oh, I'm going to do these things now and then I'll forget. No. You need to develop a continuous learning. Continuous learning is the key, is the thing of the future. It's not something you do now and then you forget. No. Mastering traffic should be on continuous basis. Mastering conversion should be on continuous basis. Firing your fuel, discovering yourself, being passionate and hungry should be continuous. And having a mentor should be continuous. It's not that you have a mentor now and then when you get a result you forget. No, as a matter of fact, you need different mentors in your life that will help you in different areas and different levels of your life. So yeah, these are the 5 key components that helped me come out of debt. I was in debt, $10,000. I had no clue. I'm a young girl. I had no clue on how to pay that money back. I went out there. I got myself a mentor, and my mentor really helped me. He taught me how to earn my first $10,000. I was able to pay back my uni. And now I'm debt free. And my friend, I know you can do this. You've got this. You know what? Because you've got greatness in you. And if you're watching this video, it's not by mere chance. You're watching it because this message is for you. This message for you. And yeah, I don't want to go on a little rant right here. I just want to make this video real short. And these are the 5 key companies. Remember, 1, be hungry. 2, get yourself a mentor, compress time. 3, master conversion. 4, master traffic, and rinse and repeat. Do it again and again. Continuous learning is the thing of the future. And yeah, this is Alunda Silva saying, hey, be awesome. I'll see you. Bye.